Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Mimi Homestyle. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of iced coffee with some delightful dupes inspired by our favorite coffee shops. We'll be making Starbucks Caramel Macchiato, a Dunkin iced coffee, Tim Hortons iced cappuccino, a non-fat Mocha Frappuccino, which is my absolute favorite, and Krispy Kreme hazelnut iced coffee. I'll also be making some homemade vanilla syrup that we'll need for one of the drinks. I've already made my iced coffee in a recent short on my YouTube channel, and for each of these drinks, we'll be using that. So let's get cozy and start brewing. First, let's make our homemade vanilla syrup. It's super easy and adds a delicious touch to our drinks. In a saucepan, we're going to combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar. Then we're going to stir until the sugar is completely dissolved over medium heat. Then bring it to a gentle boil, and once the boiling, remove from the heat and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You're going to let it cool in the fridge, and once it's cooled, you're going to transfer it to a jar for easy use. I bought these jars on Amazon, and they come with these cute labels, and I bought the funnels from Amazon as well for easy transfer of the vanilla. And it comes with a pump so you can add it to your coffee bar for all your coffee drinks. And there you have it, homemade vanilla syrup for your coffee. Now, let's start with our Starbucks iced caramel macchiato dupe. We're going to brew 1 cup of espresso or strong coffee and let it cool, which we already did this a day ago using our Keurig. And we're going to fill a glass with 1 cup of ice cubes. Then we're going to pour in 2 tablespoons of our homemade vanilla syrup. And then we're going to add 1 cup of milk. I use half milk and half heavy cream and stir it up. Slowly pour the cooled espresso or coffee over the milk. I found this drink to be more than I thought it would be, and I needed a bigger cup. So keep this in mind when you make this recipe. Finally, you're going to generously drizzle caramel sauce on top. I used a couple teaspoons for this, and it did not disappoint. Then we're going to stir before drinking, add our cover and a straw, and enjoy. Next is our Starbucks non-fat Mocha Frappuccino dupe. It's one of my absolute favorites for the summer. We're going to brew 1 cup of strong coffee, and we're going to let it cool to room temperature. And then in a blender, we're going to combine the cooled coffee, one cup of non-fat milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of a sugar substitute, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to add 1 cup of ice cubes to the blender. And then we're going to blend on high speed until smooth and the ice is fully crushed. pour this into a glass and enjoy your non-fat Mocha Frappuccino. I got this cup from Amazon as well. Now let's make a Tim Hortons iced cappuccino. We're going to brew 1 cup of coffee and let it cool. Then we're going to fill our blender with 1 cup of ice cubes. We're going to add the cooled coffee to the blender. Half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we're going to blend all of this up until it's smooth. Pour this into a nice glass and top with whipped cream if you desire. Or put the cap back on the glass with the straw and you're ready to go. Delicious. Next, we are making a Krispy Kreme hazelnut iced coffee. You're going to brew 1 cup of coffee and let it cool. And then you're going to fill a glass with 1 cup of ice cubes. Pour the cooled coffee over the ice. And then add a 1/4 cup of milk. You'll add 2 tablespoons of hazelnut syrup. And you can get the syrup online or at a local grocer. Stir this up well, and then add some whipped cream if you desire, and some crushed hazelnuts. I opted for just the hazelnuts. Now, just enjoy. Lastly, we have our Dunkin Donuts iced coffee. Again, you'll brew 1 cup of coffee and let it cool. And you're going to fill a glass with 1 cup of ice cubes. Then we're going to take the coffee in a separate container and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener to the coffee. You're going to add a 1/4 cup milk or cream, and you're going to stir all of this up until it's dissolved. Then pour the coffee over the ice. And enjoy. And there they all are, all of my favorite coffee house dupes. Each has a distinct flavor and each tastes just as delicious as buying them. I'm so excited to rotate all these recipes throughout the summer. I think I better get making more cold brew. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for perfecting your homemade iced coffees. Feel free to experiment with different syrups and adjust sweetness levels to your taste. A little sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon can elevate your coffee's flavor and presentation. For storing, keep your cold brew coffee in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, although I doubt it will last that long. That way, you'll always be ready to make a refreshing drink. And there you have it, my lovely friends. Easy and fun iced coffee dupes you can enjoy at home. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I did underestimate the caramel coffee drink that I made. I needed a bigger cup. So just make sure that you do that with that recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a cozy recipe or fun idea from Mimi Homestyle. Thank you for watching today's Mimi Homestyle video. We hope you had a great time and found some inspiration for your next celebration. If you want to stay updated, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of our videos on YouTube. Check out our website at mimihomestyle.com and our printables at Grin and Print on Etsy. I can't wait to see you next time for more fun ideas.